Hey there. Good afternoon, Mel High School. Happy Sunday. This is Bulldog eNews for the week of May 2nd, 2022. And we are turning the corner to the home stretch of the school year. If my math is correct, we've got 4 more weeks of Bulldog eNews to send your way, and then we'll be wrapping up a very unprecedented school year. But the end is near. It's been a great weekend. It is Teacher Appreciation Week, and it is also Derby Week. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Lots of cool things to share. So, I'll start there with a simple thank you to our teachers, students, and families. I would challenge you this week to send maybe a note of gratitude to a teacher, maybe a treat, or simply just to stop and say thank you for all that our teachers do and all the time and energy and effort that they put into our young people, which is fantastic. So we celebrate teachers all week, got some really cool things planned. We want to thank our PTSA and our SAM Club for making some things possible. And so, again, just want to pause and say thank you to our teachers. Let's dive into this week. So I have went ahead and put together the last 17 days. So students, if you did not know that, there are just 17 days remaining in this school year. So you can see the purple gold breakdown. You'll see a few other things listed, and that is not all inclusive. I will tell you what you see there on specific days above and beyond purple gold are things that would affect the whole school. So a couple things, and I'm going to come back to things. So I'm not going to read that to you, but you can see the breakdown for the week. The most important thing for this week that I know students will want to know: Friday is a non-school day. That's Oaks Day here in Kentucky. So we only have a 4-day week ahead. AP students, this tomorrow begins AP exam season. We have a lot of AP exams that are about to happen over the next 2.5 weeks. So tomorrow, first thing, AP US Government is up along with AP Chemistry in the afternoon, and you can see there the remainder of all AP exams, date, time, and locations for each one of those. If you have any questions about an AP exam, stop by and see Mr. Paul Daniel. If you are a sophomore or sophomore or junior parent, want to make you aware that a week from tomorrow, we begin what's called KSA testing, Kentucky Summative Assessment. So that will be, again, sophomores and juniors. You can see it's not terrible in regards to length, number of days in regards to length or time each day. Pretty short, pretty brief. Sophomores will start on Monday, May 9th, and we'll do a survey regarding the climate and safety of our school. They will take a reading test and then a math test on the next day. So just 2 days for sophomores. Juniors, you will test over 3 days. You will do that same survey, and then you will take a science assessment, a social studies assessment, an editing mechanics assessment, and on-demand writing. So you'll be testing next Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So again, that's the Kentucky Summative Assessment. End of year events, I believe, fingers crossed, has been updated for the very last time. So we'll just clean this each week. But events that will occur between tomorrow and then obviously Friday, May 27th, where the year will finish up with project graduation for seniors. So now that the last day of school is formally set, it will remain on May 26th. Graduation remains on May 26th. If you didn't know, the board waived the day we had for severe weather a couple of weeks ago. So now that is determined. We know the answer to that. So we've been able to finalize this end of the year events list. And so there's still a lot there. You can see May is going to be a very busy month at Male High School. Sharing this one more time, seniors and senior families, here are 2 images with the dates, event, location, and times for senior events that will be occurring over the next 4 to 5 weeks, 4 weeks, I guess it will be, and also a link that will take you back to that slide deck that Miss Edlin shared with parents. If you have any questions about senior events, reach out to Miss Edlin or one of your counselors or your student's counselor. We'll make sure to get that answered for you. And once again, I do want to reiterate, there was some question and uncertainty. The graduation date was set for Thursday, May 26th, 5 o'clock at Freedom Hall. And then that was uncertain due to that missed day of school back in April. But that has been waived. So our last day of school now remains May 26th, graduation, May 26th, 5 p.m. at Freedom Hall. Really looking forward to that. Seniors, also want to remind you that Friday evening, May 27th, is your project graduation senior celebration put on by the PTSA. That will occur at the University of Louisville in the Student Center. That happens at 11 p.m. to 5 a.m. That's not a mistake. That's seriously, it's an overnight lock-in. It's a nice, safe alternative for our seniors to get together one final time. Also, want to share final exam now that that last day of school is solidified. Final exam information for both seniors and underclassmen. So that's here on the screen for you. It is not a mistake. Seniors do take their exams early as they kind of wrap up their last day in the building is officially as normal school pertains will be Friday, May 20th. So seniors will actually start exams. They'll take one on the 16th and wrap them up over the next couple of days. And then underclassmen, you'll take your exams over 4 days that final week of school. A few reminders there from Miss Walls. Don't forget to check those out. Specifically, ILP. Students, you got to get that done. That's a graduation requirement. I leave here the counseling newsletter from last week. Lots of good information there. And I'm going to end. The final thing for this week is an athletics update, but also an update and a celebration for our school. We recently learned that our athletics director, Mr. John Kelsey, was named the 7th Region Athletic Director of the Year. I could not think of someone more deserving. So congratulations to Coach Kelsey for his just tireless work to make things possible for our student athletes, our coaches, our families. We could not do it without his leadership and his hard work. So, ladies and gentlemen, have a great Derby week. Be safe, students. It's a 4-day week for you. It's Teacher Appreciation Week. Stop and say thank you to a teacher. Let them know how much we appreciate their hard work in this unprecedented time. Let's again focus on the fact that we have 17 instructional days left in this school year and make the most out of each and every day. Have a great week. If you need anything, let us know. Talk to you soon.